What's up YouTube, Seth here from How To Knots for another knot tutorial. So today we're going to be looking at Abok 57 or the reversed half hitches. So without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So the reversed half hitches is quite like the two half hitches, except it is more versatile when you're dealing with a load that has variability in the direction of tension. So let me show you how to tie it and then I'll explain what I mean. So for the reversed half hitches, what we're going to do is we're going to go around our anchor point. We're going to make our first hitch here, and then on the second hitch we're not going to come over the top of the line like we did with the first hitch. We're actually going to go underneath and then make our second hitch here, and then we can just pull tight to our object. So that's reversed half hitches. So let me show you the difference between the two half hitches and the reversed half hitches. So for two half hitches, what we would do is we would cross over the line here, make our hitch, work down the line again, and then hitch upwards going over the line here. So both hitches started over and then under, right? With the reversed half hitches, we're going to make our first hitch here, and then what we're going to do is come underneath instead and then make our hitch. So one starts over the top and one starts underneath the standing end here. So by doing this, what we do is no matter where the load and the tension come from, the directions, it gives us a better hitch that can sustain the tension and won't slip depending on the direction of the load. So it's a great knot if you don't know, maybe there's wind or something that's gonna dictate where the tension might shift on your knot. So that is the ability of the reversed half hitches. We can tie one more time just to show you. So we're gonna go over, we're gonna make our hitch, and then we're actually gonna come underneath instead of over for our second hitch, and then we're just gonna hitch up the line there and then pull it tight to our anchor. If you like this tutorial, make sure to follow us along on this adventure through the Ashley's Book of Knots and this series. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more knot tutorials, and tell us in the comments what you want to see for us to do. If you want to follow us along on this journey, we have a link for the Ashley's Book of Knots in the journey. This book has thousands of knots and we recommend you check it out. All proceeds from the affiliation go to supporting our channel, helping us make videos for you guys. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.